Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. Today we have a watch from Timex. We received this watch a few months ago and I have worn it once or twice just to get a feel for it. But for the sake of the unboxing experience, we have put it right back in the box. This watch is marketed as your go-to everyday timepiece. Something that can take on the daily grind without breaking a sweat. It's also claimed to be one of the most affordable options with these specs. But does it really live up to its hype? Let's find out. Today we are unboxing and reviewing an ultra slim dress watch.
Wait a minute!
Did I say dress watch? I mean daily watch. Or is it? If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the channel. Presenting Timex Sapphire Crystal TWEG21900. What a beautiful watch it is. The camera just doesn't do justice to its full splendor. The sapphire crystal totally stands out, and it gives it a more premium feel compared to the standard mineral glass that we usually get to see in Timex watches. This is a big deal, especially at this price point, because sapphire crystal is far more scratch resistant and durable. It's a feature we usually associate with mid-range to luxury watches. So seeing it on an affordable Timex is definitely a welcome surprise. However, on the Timex website, they have mentioned the crystal as mineral, which I believe must be a technical error. Now let's talk about the dimensions. The case diameter is 41 mm, which makes it a great fit for most wrist sizes. Thickness is 6.5 mm. This is one of the slimmest Timex watches out there. The lug width is 20 mm, which gives you a plenty of strap options if you ever want to switch things up. And lug to lug distance is 46 mm. I purchased the watch from Tata Click and paid 3,700 Indian rupees, which is about 43 US dollars. And I have seen it going down to 3,000 Indian rupees as well during the sale period. There are other variants of Timex Sapphire Crystal and they range between 3,000 to 7,000 Indian rupees, which is about 35 to 80 US dollars. And I believe these particular models are exclusively available in the Indian markets, as I have not seen it being sold outside India. Timex has been stepping up their game in recent years. They are bringing back vintage reissues, experimenting with unique designs, and collaborating with big names like Fortnite, Ghostly, Pan Am, James Brand, and even Giorgio Galli. Some of these watches are actually worth considering, and it's refreshing to see Timex move beyond just being the budget watch brand to offering pieces that can genuinely compete in style and quality. Being a 170-year-old company, Timex has a rich history of watchmaking. They have survived wars, economic downturns, and shifting trends, yet they continue to innovate while keeping their core identity intact. This particular model is part of their push to bring affordable sapphire crystal watches to the market. And from what I have seen so far, it might just be one of the best value for money watches out there. But let's not jump to the conclusion just yet. There is still a lot to explore. When we turn the watch over, we get a simple stainless steel snap-on case back with Timex branding, watch model number, lug width, sapphire crystal, 30-meter water resistance, and the reference about the battery. The watch uses quartz movement. Timex has not mentioned what kind of quartz movement they are using, but considering the price tag that it comes at, it is safe to assume that it must be a very basic quartz movement. The watch comes with a green genuine leather strap that is soft, comfortable, and features a crocodile embossed pattern. The buckle has a Timex branding. However, I do have one concern. The strap is comfortable, but it feels a bit on the thinner side, so longevity might be something to keep an eye on. Moving on to the crown. It's a standard push and pull type crown with a slim profile, but it's still easy to grip and operate. The crown comes in gold color and it is not signed. The watch comes with a guilloche style, which gives it a subtle and elegant play of light depending on the angle. The golden applied indices looks amazing. The watch keeps it minimal with skeleton alpha style hour and minute hands. There is also a small date window positioned at 3 o'clock. The case has a glossy finish and keeps a very thin profile. Now let's talk about something unexpected. Scuff marks on the case back. Even though this watch was barely worn and mostly stored in its box, I noticed some scuff marks on the stainless steel case back. This is surprising because the watch was simply resting on the cushion inside the box. Ideally, the case back should hold up better against such minimal contacts. This raises a couple of questions. Is the finishing on the case back prone to scuffing, or was it just an unfortunate case of friction against the cushion? Either way, it's something to keep in mind for those who like their watches to stay pristine. Now it's time to try this on and find out if it is wrist-worthy or not. One thing that immediately caught my attention is how lightweight and comfortable the wearing experience is. I guess all the credit goes to its ultra slim profile and soft leather strap. The 41mm case sits well on most wrist sizes and provides a balanced and elegant look. The sapphire crystal enhances durability. Whether for formal occasion or daily wear, this watch feels refined and effortlessly stylish on the wrist. And this is how it goes with Mathy-Tissot. If you have not seen our review on Mathy-Tissot, please click on the link in the description below. In conclusion, the Timex Sapphire Crystal is a refined and elegant everyday dress watch that delivers premium at an affordable price. With its scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, ultra-slim stainless steel case, stunning guilloche dial, and leather strap, it offers a sophisticated look without breaking the bank. While it has limited water resistance, its timeless design and lightweight feel makes it a perfect choice for everyday and formal wear. If you are looking for a minimalist and stylish timepiece, this Timex might just be your next wrist-worthy purchase. That wraps up our review of the Timex Sapphire Crystal. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And remember, every great collection starts with a watch that's truly wrist-worthy. If this video has helped you to decide on Timex Sapphire Crystal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more wrist-worthy content. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.